Everything explained in this video is summarized from the coin market cap. And also, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for future XRP news and some other cryptocurrency news in general. Now, take a look at this. Japan announces nationwide adoption of XRP for payments by 2025. XRP will be used for all payments in Japan by the year 2025, which will cause significant changes in the market for digital currencies in that country. The recent announcement made by Japan is in agreement with the prediction made by SBI CEO Yoshitaka Kitayo that XRP will dominate the banking sector in Japan in the year 2020. A legal victory for Ripple, in which XRP was not judged to be a security, sets the path for the broad use of the cryptocurrency in Japan by the year 2025. It has been disclosed that by the year 2025, XRP will be utilized for all payments throughout the entire nation of Japan. This decision, which was revealed, represents a significant step forward in Japan's strategy for the adoption of digital money. This action is in line with the expectations that were made earlier by Yoshitaka Kitayo, the CEO of SBI, who anticipated that XRP will be widely used in the banking sector in Japan. Japan has positioned itself at the vanguard of the digital payment revolution as a result of this development, becoming the driving force behind the dynamic market changes that are predicted on the XRP ledge. The CEO of SBI anticipates that XRP will increase in Japan. The chief executive officer of SBI, Yoshitaka Kitayo, claimed that XRP would dominate the banking business in Japan by the year 2025. His prognosis highlighted the growing acceptance of XRP by big organizations and firms that specialize in fund transfers at an increasing rate. Kitayo underlined the expanding use of Ripple, XRapid, and RippleNet technologies, which have seen substantial traction. Kitayo also spoke about the advantages of using these technologies. This is in line with the recent decision made by Japan, which further supports Kitayo's view of the role that XRP would play in modernizing Japan's payment infrastructure. Implementation of Ripple Labs and Pablecoin Ripple Labs and recently introduced Ripple US, a new stablecoin that is pegged to the United States dollar. This launch further expands the utility of the XRP ledger. Ripple USD, which is issued on both the XRP ledger and Ethereum blockchains, aims to revolutionize cross-border payments in 2025 by maintaining the constant value and being fully backed by cash reserves. It is anticipated that this introduction would give several opportunities for liquidity and accessibility, hence strengthening the position of the XRP ledger in the international financial markets. Ripple's success in the courts in opposition to the SEC meant prolonged legal struggle between Ripple and the Securities and Exchange Commission. Commission came to a conclusion. As a result of Judge Torres' judgment, Ripple's civil penalty was reduced to $125 million, which is significantly less than the initial demand of $2 billion made by the SEC. This judicial victory, in conjunction with Japan's statement, substantially strengthens the position of XRP and paves the way for its widespread acceptance in Japan by the year 2025. In addition to announcing intentions to reduce its bond purchases, the Bank of Japan hiked interest rates by 15 basis points to 0.25 on Wednesday, marking its second hike of the year. According to a CNN article, traders anticipate more rate increases later this year as the central bank works to control inflation. The US and Japanese interest rate differentials have closed as a result of the raise, strengthening the Japanese yen's value relative to the US dollar. Since the middle of last month, the dollar's value relative to the Japanese yen has decreased by fallen 5 day low, closed at 35,000. It also crossed below the 36,000 barrier for the first time since January, with a bigger drop of 6.14. The topics as a whole had its lowest day in 8 years, ending at 2,000. Price drop for XRP occurs after Japan's banking crisis. When it comes to XRP, it ended July on a positive note, but in the last few days, its price has stayed low, staying below the 7 cents threshold. Concerns have been raised by stakeholders regarding XRP's persistent underperformance in the larger cryptocurrency market. The notable decline in prices appears to be linked to Japan's ongoing banking crisis. Since the Bank of Japan began to intervene in the forex market in mid-July to try and stem the dropping value of the yen, the Japanese banking industry in particular has been struggling. The foreign exchange rate was notably hovering at 162 yen. The intervention involved trading against lightweight hedge funds in an attempt to target them, but the currency recently fell to about 157 yen dollar. Similar actions were taken by the Bank of Japan against heavyweight speculators, which led to harsh liquidations when they were forced to sell their holdings. Brokers started making huge sales as a result, which affected the asset managers, they have had to bear the brunt of it since major partners of Ripple Labs and consequently XRP, such as PI Holdings, Mitsubishi UFJ, and others have established operations in Japan. Consequently, the selling off of their holdings in order to remain afloat accounts for the dumping of XRP shares onto the market. Investors see XRP in a bullish rally. Despite optimistic forecasts for XRP, analysts think this could play a big role in the asset's recent price decline. The cryptocurrency has been consolidating for the past 6 years inside of a symmetrical triangle, which often comes before a bullish rally. The XRP community's investors are expecting a price surge that could push XRP to between 9 cents and $1. Given the current state of the Japanese banking system, getting XRP break through these resistance levels appears to be a challenging feat. In the past 24 hours, XRP has plummeted by a staggering 5 and 257 cents as of this writing. In terms of daily gains, XRP has outperformed all other major assets, demonstrating that it has decoupled from the broader cryptocurrency market. The price of XRP had a rapid spike of about 20% over the course of the previous day, reaching 64 cents on Thursday before slightly retracing to 61 cents. This occurred while the rest of the market was experiencing difficulty. The cryptocurrency XRP has been able to achieve a remarkable monthly gain of 42% as a result of the ongoing upward trend. The positive trend is supported by a specific group of whale wallets, which have amassed a substantial amount of tokens, thereby setting a new record for the overall amount of tokens in circulation. The bullish signs regarding XRP over the course of the last 24 hours, the total market capitalization of XRP has increased by 23%. In accordance with the most recent findings of sentiment, this quick increase has coincided with a major accumulation by whales, wallets that hold between 1 million and 10 million tokens on the XRP ledger, now jointly possess an all-time high of 7.6 billion coins, which are valued at around 4 billion. During the month of August alone, this group of whale companies amassed more than 662 million XRP, which is an indication of growing confidence in the asset. In addition, there's been a significant increase in the number of discussions about XRP on social media, which have reached their greatest levels since the 30th of January, which when combined with the accumulation of whales and increased social engagement, indicates that the market cap has increased. According to data provided by CoinGlass, as a result of the ensuing price spike, future traders were caught off guard. This is demonstrated by the fact that $7 million worth of short positions in XRP were liquidated over the course of the last 24 hours. The SEC versus Ripple. A federal judge in New York has made progress in concluding a 3-year securities action against Ripple Labs. Executives are celebrating this development as a big victory for the sector. The renewed positive sentiment comes after the judge's decision.